The esteemed president of the Heraldika Slovenica Association, Mr. Alexander Hribušek, distinguished other guest delegates, it's a great honor for me to welcome you and address you on behalf of the National Council, the second chamber of the Slovenian Parliament, as the sponsor and co-host of this evening's reception on the 29th International Congress of the Flag Studies. It's the first Congress of its kind in the history of the Republic of Slovenia, which celebrated its 30th anniversary last year. Due to the extraordinary circumstances facing the whole world, not only Slovenia, the organizers had to postpone the Congress to this year, a year more friendly to socializing, although still extremely turbulent in the political and social context. That is why I am personally delighted to welcome you on behalf of the State of Republic of Slovenia, also in the light of the 30th anniversary of our statehood, and of course, the 30th anniversary of the Slovenian flag. All of us here know more than well that symbols mean a lot, and in what specific way they shape cultural, social, political developments in society. The processes that shape us into cohesive communities can hardly survive without their symbolic manifestations. And flags are the world's most popular symbol of belonging, togetherness, solidarity, and patriotism. In fact, there is not a village community, a local association, even informal associations that do not have their own flag, this most distinctive symbol. But most people take these symbols for granted. They don't think about them in depth, much less critically. That is why flag congresses of this kind are something exceptional and special. A very interesting week of various events, lectures, exhibitions, expert excursions, and friendly encounters awaits you, where you will exchange expert opinions, dig beneath the cloak of history for treasures, and share the same, yet rare and precious passions. Especially for you, the Heraldika Slovenica Association has arranged a tour of Slovenian national flag treasures, including an exclusive tour of the 13th meter Slovenian flag that flew in Ljubljana at the time of the Declaration of Independence in 1991. From my personal experience as a fighter for Slovenian independence, I can confirm that this flag is indeed something special and something priceless and inimitable for the Slovenian nation, which after thousands of years of dreams and difficult subjugation has just won its own country. To fight under the flag of a nation that has never ever taken up arms against another nation, that values brotherhood and unity between the nations more than its own freedom, is a great personal gain. It is therefore a great responsibility to be Slovenian today, when war is raging in the European lobby, when climate change is depleting natural resources and upsetting the balance of our otherwise most hospitable planet. The responsibility of whether we will be able to continue to lead our country with the wisdom of our ancestors and the boldness of the green decisions that new generations of Slovenians will have to make. And it is at the rising of the flag, its proud flying, that all the accumulated emotions of belonging, pride, and love for one's native country come together. Songs are sung about these moments, legends are told, photographs bear witness, and rightly so, because we live with each other, not past each other. We live in a society that must foster love of country and homeland, but at the same time, spark curiosity about the countries, peoples, and societies they live around us, cooperate with us, compete with us, and befriend us. The stories of the flags of the world's countries are at their best and most beautiful when told by great experts with a wealth of knowledge and an infectious passion. It is for this reason that I would like to thank the Heraldika Slovenica Association and especially Mr. Hribušek in particular for this contribution and for organizing this great international event. Dear gathered guests, dear friends, I therefore extend a warm welcome to you and to all delegates gathered in our country, the Republic of Slovenia, where we live as citizens proud of our symbols. To conclude, I would like to offer you a thought from Neja Vogrinc, an 8th grade student from Kidričevo Primary School. She wrote down, Slovenia is more than just a country. Slovenia is made up of different people, different families, but we are all bound together by our love of the country. And our flag symbolizes our love and passion towards the country, Republic of Slovenia. I wish you again to spend a nice days in Slovenia, to deepen your friendship and to spread around the information about this country, people living here, and our attitude towards the history, towards the other nations, and especially towards the flag. Thank you very much.